friends, do you know by 2040 overall global temperature will rise by 1.5 degrees Celsius? You would say, how does it matter, a degree here or there? It does matter, because that would lead to some of the extreme events and more of it, like hurricanes, tornadoes and floods all over. So a thought comes, is there something artificial intelligence can do in solving some of these global problems? And that's why I picked up today's topic, AI for sustainability. So let's understand more on this topic through today's video. Now, before even we start talking about contribution of artificial intelligence for sustainability, it is very important for us to understand what is sustainability. So in a simple term, sustainability is about all our efforts that we are putting in present to safeguard future of our children or grandchildren so that they can enjoy the same or better livelihood. It is all about balancing 3 E's, where the first E is environment. So if we just focus on environment, then there's no progress that is happening in the world of economy and business. What if we start focusing only on economy? Then our environment is disturbed and it has repercussion on our society and overall to mankind. And the third E is about equity. So even if we are focusing on environment and economy, but the benefits, if it's being enjoyed only by few resources, then even that's not the right way to do it. So you need to have equity also in place so that all the benefits are also enjoyed by all. So the entire balancing act of these 3 E's, environment, economy and equity, is sustainability. I have read that there are AI models to study ocean currents. Some of them are studying soil erosion or maybe predicting climate changes. But will this all solve this bigger problem? The answer is no, because all of these are happening in silo. And are we existing in silo? The answer is no. We are interacting with nature. All living species are interacting with nature. So we need to have a simulation or a system in place which shows this interaction and its impact to environment. Whether that impact is positive or negative will also help us prioritize our actions and solutions. For example, if we get to know that if you want to save food resources for future, which is that one species in the food chain that needs to be the first priority to be saved from getting extinct? The answer, we don't know yet. So once we have these kind of simulations, these immediate actions which will have a massive impact can be derived. I hope someone out there is already working on this, and we hope to see some kind of simulation, and it would be a great achievement for all of us. Don't get disheartened. Battle is not completely lost yet. Even though we are not able to completely control this problem, but we can definitely make an attempt to protect ourselves. And that's are some of the areas where artificial intelligence is contributing. First and foremost thing is predicting climate changes. Now, if we are well aware of what are the changes coming, we can take actions accordingly. So there are AI models which are studying using satellite data and sensor data about the ocean currents, as I said, the weather data. It's also studying the erosion on mountains and all the patterns of landslide and so on and so forth for predicting climate changes. That can be a big boon for us. The other one which I want to talk about is, what if hurricanes and tornadoes and these severe events hit us? So in that case, disaster recovery and rapid response is one area where artificial intelligence is contributing. So in this case, we can actually understand the entire supply chain system and can effectively manage where the rapid response has to be sent, where there is an immediate need of supplies and medicines, and also how which are the hospitals to be kept on alert, and so on and so forth. And the last but not the least is, we can also add to our list of energy resources. Why not? For example, when Thomas Alva Edison, he invented the original filament, he did thousands of experiments with different materials to come up with this material which actually worked. Now that was in a very ad hoc way and it was a manual effort. What if our machine learning system can do these kind of experiments and come up with new materials which are our energy sources? And so that way, that's another way how we can have enough supplies ahead of time for our children and grandchildren. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do write to me and also subscribe to this channel to get updated on the similar topics. With that, me Sarika Hussain signing off for today. Have a good day.